So I have here two lovely sisters, Irene and Chiara from Italy, from Milano. They came first time to Ayurvedic retreat, and I just want to ask, like, what was the benefit of this retreat for you, girls? Maybe Chiara.
So actually, I didn't expect anything. I had no expectations. So I was here and I said, let's see, let's go with the flow. And I have to say that I feel really better, like my spirit, my soul, my body. I've been having a lot of issues, a lot of troubles at work, and they gave me stomachache, headache, and I was feeling very nervous. I had a very short temper. I was impossible, probably. This experience changed me a lot. I'm like calm, I still have a lot of fire because that is me, but I know how to control it, and it cooled me down. So I feel good, I feel joyful of joy, and even my body changed a lot. I feel like very light. I feel I have no stomachache. My skin is like radiant. I don't know, I can feel it. So I think that it's really helpful, and I would recommend this experience to anyone.
And Irene, how was it for you?
The same as Chiara, and I had no expectation, so I was decided to take everything that can occur, and I'm very glad to be here. I had a very bad period for some massive healthy problem, and I don't know, here it seems that my body start again. I have a real restart of my body. And also I had many problems with people touching me, and here I found this very gentle therapist that helped me a lot to be cuddled and to accept this kind of treatment. And my skin is soft and I'm really relaxed, and
I can touch.
yes, now.
She doesn't say
I
no.
appreciate it, and and also my skin and my smile is brilliant.
back.
Radiant. I'm really happy to be here.
I would like to ask you, how did you like doctor and the clinic and his approach?
Dr. Rory,
Yeah,
it's great.
Amazing.
So it's great professionally as a human being.
Yeah.
When you walk into the door, his door, you can feel his energy. He's vibrant, and immediately, even though you don't say a word, not even a word, he knows
Yeah.
how he. What is the best way to treat you, to talk to you? He's always, he see the positive. Even if you have some issue or like some problem, he always see the good part and he tries to help you. It's very professional. Every indication, everything prescription he gave me, it helped me a lot. The clinic is fantastic. I have like Subrat is a young therapist. He's very young, but he has a golden hands and is very lovely. He loves. He's very dedicated, and he loves his work. And we are in a very good connection. So even though at the beginning I was kind of afraid because sometimes when you have to take your t-shirt off and being half naked, it's something that is difficult to accept. I feel nothing. I mean, I feel like it's okay. This is my body. He's treating me, and he's treating me my body in the whole part. So, I just have a positive energies and positive vibes from this clinic and from Dr. Roy.
And Irene, how was for you?
Same. I think that from the moment we get in touch with Dr. Rolik, it's like that he already knew me, and he really knows how to talk to me, how to make me feel like not in an uncomfortable situation, and he really tuned the treatment according to what I wanted and how I feel. And for instance, my therapist is being a very young girl, but she has this angel touch, really, and I don't feel it's not invasive, even if I'm naked, and I don't like to be naked, but she's really, really nice, and I think that she knows how to treat my skin, my body, and the Dr. Roddy can guide this therapist, and I'm really glad.
Great. And what about the food? Ayurvedic diet, was it easy for you, or how did you like?
No, at the beginning was not. Because
Maybe as Italians.
as
we-
Italians, probably.
Pasta.
Yes, we are more like wine, pasta, you know. I'm not vegetarian, so I usually eat whatever I want. It was a challenge, but it made me feel very good. Spicy food is still like a little bit. Sometimes it can be uncomfortable. Not uncomfortable. It's something I'm not used to. But I know that it's kind of boosting my body a lot. So I got to know Ayurvedic food, and I think I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Even my stomach, my digestive system is working very
intestine
well.
is
My
working
intestine.
better.
Yeah, so everything's like again movement, no? It's recharge, and also I think for
Yeah,
the
it's
food we are
totally
having.
restart
For you?
and reboost. The same. I mean, I can really feel that my body is really active, and sometimes I have this long period that everything is blocked and stuck, but not here.
And you eat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And how was it for you actually, like, do it this together? Because you're twins and you're very close, but you've been also sharing accommodation.
But I think that it was. I mean, I like to be here. I love to be here with you, with my sister, because I don't know. It's like that. Our relationship here is different from the relationship that we have in Italy.
Yeah.
So in a positive way, it changed.
Yes.
Sometimes we find. I think that we had. I don't know if bad period, but maybe you were stressed and I did not have energy to support you.
Yes.
But here I think that we are creating new
Balance.
balance.
Yes, we are in harmony. This is what I can say.
So anything else you can say it was like new or like nice recharging in Goa, in India, like new experience or something what you've been quite nicely surprised?
Maybe we love to go to the beach, hear ocean and
Yeah.
colors of the
Nature,
Nature.
and the beach, the sun. But I'm really talkative, so I can talk to anyone, and this allow me also to talk to a lot of people that live here, and they are all very gentle, and they can tell you all these stories they have, and they can also explain their spirituality. All the story about Shiva, Ganesh, Vishnu, Parvati. We made Kali Puja the other day. It was an amazing experience. We made this challenging experience. We danced, we shared music, and spirituality and food.
We
and
were blessed.
Yeah, we were blessed. We sing together, and it's something that I never. I mean, I usually am another kind of person. I'm very lively, but it's not an experience that I do in Italy.
No.
And here I felt like free to do it, just to let me guide. So it's kind to be touched also from all this story they can say, and all these, all this word that it doesn't belong to us, but we can share this word with people that live here.
Yeah.
And I think it's amazing.
And you did also yoga in the morning, that also helped the process?
A lot.
It's a problem with me. I'm not a morning person at all. I'm like the night person. But it was very good. Because in the morning when we woke up, I mean, personally for me, I'm very stiff. And he helped me a lot to release my body, to get in contact with my body and start the day.
Yeah.
So it was a very good
Yeah, that
experience.
is-
Hopefully. I can bring this home. So
Yeah.
waking up in the morning and do yoga.
So brilliant. You will continue with Ayurveda maybe in Milan, and you can recommend it everybody now?
Ayurvedic, way to live. I think that is a way of living. I think, no?
We will find something for sure, even in Milan.
So people, they don't have to be scared to coming to India.
No, not at all. It's an amazing experience.
Yes. Yes, I wouldn't say that anyone has to feel fear to go to India and do this experience. It's kind of the opposite. You have to open up, and I'm sure that the effect that you can have it's great. It's something amazing you can't even expect.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for interview, and see you maybe in the future for Ayurveda.
Bye. Yoga was very
Very
good.
good.
It was a little bit chaotic because you were speaking Czech, and for me it's very difficult. I will do my best for next
Brava,
year,
Ruka,
but now I can't understand Czech.
Yeah. I can something because I did yoga in Czech Republic, so something sounds familiar. Like okay. In the night, I'm sweating, and she.
Yes, I can feel. I was like,
They
and
cool you
me
down.
Yes, they
Yeah,
tried to
so
cool me down.
during the night, she said, "It's so cold here." No, it's hot because in case I'm Mata, so I need
I'm
to.
Pita.